Good day, everyone. Have you ever thought about this animal? Or do you even know what it is? This black-horned smooth-hoof mammal is called Tamaraw. They are also known as Mindoro dwarf buffalo, and its scientific name is Bupalus mindorensis. They are considered to be the national land animal of the Philippines. The only wild cattle species found in the Philippine archipelago and largest land mammal of the country. Do not mistake this wild animal to be our water buffalo. These domestic buffalo tend to be less stocky than the Tamaraw. Their horns grow from the sides of their heads and arc in a C shape, whereas the horns of the Tamaraw are set close together at the top of the head and grow in a V shape. Specifically, the Tamaraw have 220 cm head and body length, a 95 to 120 cm shoulder length, and a 60 cm tail length. The adult Tamaraw weighs around 200 to 300 kilograms. Tamaraw has grayish black in color with a darker line running along the spine and white markings on the insides of the forelegs. They don't have to put on a makeup to get those defined eyebrows because they have lighter markings found above the eyes. In terms about their age, we cannot lie about it since their horn's thickness can be used to identify it. Tamaraw are currently nocturnal in nature, which is most likely due to human disturbances in their habitat. Animals in captivity are most active in the early morning, late afternoon, and evening. Tamaraw appear to engage in a lot of mud wallowing. They live for about 20 to 25 years. Tamaraw multiplies by giving birth during month of June to November. As you can see on the picture, giving birth to cute little reddish-brown babies that will soon turn to the darker color when it matures. Although it is hard to produce the Tamaraw since their gestation period reaches about 300 days and there is an afterbirth interval which is 2 years and their litter size is only 1. Tamaraw is endemic in the island of Mindoro. It can be found in the Mount Iglit-Baku, Mount Aruyan, and Mount Calavite, located in the occidental part of the Mindoro. Now, if you are familiar with the places that are mentioned, you will know that Tamaraw prefers to live in the places with a mix of forest and grassland, where they may quickly find food and water, as well as hide or flee if they are threatened. It is very unfortunate that it is listed as critically endangered on the IUCN or International Union for Conservation of Nature Red List due to habitat loss from farming, cattle ranching, and its expanding urban areas, diseases from livestock, and illegal hunting. Only 300 Tamaraws are thought to be alive today, spread across Mount Iglit-Baku, Mount Aruyan, and Mount Calavite.